beauty of ASME being on a 2-year review cycle is that you've got a lot better technology being introduced into the codes and standards to be used in the boiler code ecosystem, whereas some other codes are on 5-year cycles, and you're not getting the newest ability to use that, whether it's the right thing or not. But there are things on the 5-year cycle that are not keeping up with what industry's doing. And that's the beauty of Boiler Code Week and then meeting 3-4 times a year at least. My name is Logan Kusarek. I am the owner of Kusarek Engineering LLC. I teach the Applications of Welding class, both virtually and in person, for the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. The fortunate part of my career is that so far I've been on 6 continents and built a multitude of products, anywhere from power boilers to pressure vessels to repair and upgrade nuclear facilities. And the nice thing about ASME is it's been used everywhere. So that standard exists on every surface of the planet. So it's really nice to be able to go to a place where the food isn't the same, the people aren't the same, and the language definitely isn't the same, but be able to speak the same language when it comes to the code. There's always somebody to call. Hey, I interpret the code in this manner. You have a different view, or you work for a company that's on the other side of the fence. How do you see it? Do you interpret this the same manner? Am I going to execute what I'm going to do in accordance with this going to be interpreted the same as I see it, or somebody else does? Can I build a consensus? Code committees are all consensus committees. It's how do we come to the best conclusion that keeps people alive while keeping our cars running, while keeping our lights on. I'm fortunate enough that ASME has hired me to teach the Applications of Welding class. I like teaching it because even the class I'm teaching today, I have folks who build aerospace parts, I have folks that work in LNG plants, folks that work in the nuclear industry, and folks that work in a refinery. So there's a wide cross-section of industry, and each person has a unique problem and a unique perspective of how they utilize this. So it's great to see the commonality of the code used in all those industries, and it's fascinating to see what kind of problems each one is coming across.